Welcome back to the next session on addition and subtraction. In the last session, we studied about addition. Now, let us see the properties of addition. In the previous session, we studied about addition, how to find the sum in addition. Sum means the answer in addition is called as sum. Here, properties of addition, the first one is numbers can be added in any order. That means you can add the number from top to bottom or from bottom to top. This we discussed in the previous session also, right? The answer will not change. The sum will remain the same. That means in the given example, we see that the number is 678 and 2942. If you add from bottom to top, you get 3620. In the same way, if you add from top to bottom also, you get 3620. There is no change in the answer, right? That is, you can flip and write, you can interchange and write. First number down and second number top, anyways you can write. That is what they are saying. That is, number can be added in any order. You can write the bigger number top, you can write the smaller number down, or smaller number top, bigger number down. Anyways you can write, answer will remain same. Right? In the next example, the same way, you have 42,576, 28,357, 14,049. Yes, they are added in the order from bottom to top. But here, in the next method, they have written 14,049 in the second place. That is, they have changed the place. Right? Even if the place is changed, the answer will not change. That is, both ways we get 84,982. There is no change in the answer. Yes? When 1 is added to a number, the sum is the successor of the number. We know what is successor and predecessor. Right? Successor means adding 1 to the given number. Predecessor means subtracting 1 from the given number. This we know from our earlier classes. We studied that what is successor and what is predecessor. Successor is adding 1 to the given number. Here the given number is 236. Right? We are going to find the successor of 236. That means we are going to find the successor for 236 by adding 1. So I add 1 here, I get 237. Yes. In the next example, I have 4,567. I have to find the successor for that. That means you have to add 1 with 4,567. So when you add 1 with the given number, the answer will be the next number, that is 4,568. Isn't it? Yes, in the third example, we have 72,328. We are going to find the successor for that number. So that means you have to add 1 with the given number. When you add 1 to the given number, the answer will be the next number, that is 72,329. This is the next rule in addition, that is next property of addition. The next one is when 0 is added to a number. When 0 is added to a number, the sum is the number itself. Yes, when 0 is added to any number, we get the same number as answer, right? 9 plus 0 is 9. 8 plus 0 is 8. 1 plus 0 is 1. Any number added with 0 is the same number. So here in the example, look at the question given here, 2,589. With that, 0 is added. That means the answer will not change. the number will be the same number. That is 9 plus 0 is 9. 9 plus 0 is 9. That means the answer will not change. We get the same answer, 2589. In the next example, we have 46,075. With that, we are going to add 0. That means in ones place, when we add 0, that is 5 plus 0, we get 5. So, there is no change in the answer. The same number we get 46,075. In the third example, we have 52,789. When 0 is added to this number, that is in the ones place only we have to add 0. There is no change in the answer. We get 52,789, the same number as answer. So that means when any number is added with 0, the sum is the same number. That is the next property of addition. Yes, here we studied about 3 properties. You can flip the numbers, that is you can interchange the place of the numbers and you can add it in a way. That is the first property. The second property is to find the successor, we add 1. When we add 1, we get the next number. Third one, when 0 is added to any number, the answer is the same number. This is what we studied here. Right? Understood? Yes. Next, we will see about checking addition. Why to check addition? If there is any doubt in our addition or in our answer for addition, we need to check and find whether it is correct or not. In that case, how do you check a sum? That is, how do you check your addition sum and find the answer whether it is correct or not? How to find that? To check a sum, add the numbers in the reverse order. Yes? What they are saying is, once if you add the numbers from top to bottom, next to check whether it is correct, you have to add the number from bottom to top in the reverse order. Look at the example given here. 2,456 and 5,962 is to be added. Right? We have to check the answer by adding in the reverse order. Reverse order. Yes. So, first, arrange and write the numbers in order here. 2,456. Next one, 5,962. Add that from top to bottom or bottom to top. Any ways you can add. The thing is, when you are checking, you have to add in the other way, reverse order. So here we get 8,418. Now I am going to check whether that answer is correct. So what I am doing is, the same number I am writing again, 2,456 and 5,962, and I am adding from bottom to top. That is 2 plus 6 is 8, 6 plus 5 is 11, so 1 here, 1 is carried here, 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 4 is 14, so 4 here, again 1 is carried over, 5 plus 1 is 6, 6 plus 2 is 8, I am getting the same answer. Yes, so this is the carryover number. I am writing it here. Yes. So look at the answer here. Is there any change in the answer? There is no change in the answer. Both the answers are same. So this is how we are supposed to check the addition. That is, add in the reverse order. So in the answer you have to write that since the sum is the same in both the cases, it is correct. Yes? Okay. Next, we are going to see about estimating the sum. Yes, we know what is estimation, right? Already we studied about estimation, that is rounding off. We round out the number to the nearest 10 to the nearest 100 and nearest 1000 also. Right? Now here in addition, how are we going to round off the numbers and we are going to find the sum? That is estimated sum. Right? Here in example 30, see that find the estimated sum and the exact sum of 486 and 124. Write down the number 486 and 124. First, you have to round off 486 to the nearest 100, that is 500. The next one is 124. Round off 124 to the nearest 100, it will be 100. So when you add the 2, you will be getting 600. Right? This is our estimated sum. Estimated means it is an approximate answer. It is not the exact answer. Right? So, next, here we are going to find the exact sum, that is actual answer. Add 486 with 124. What are we getting? We are getting 610. So, check that our estimated answer and the exact answer will be very close to each other. This is how you have to find the estimated sum and the exact sum. Estimated sum means we have to round off the numbers to the nearest 100 here in the sum and find the estimated answer. Exact answer is you have to write the numbers and find the exact answer. Right? Yes. Next one, adding horizontally. What is that adding horizontally? What is horizontal? You know what is horizontal? So, this is horizontal. Normally, we add addition like this. We write the numbers, we add like this. That is vertical. Now, we are going to add horizontally. This is how we are going to add now. Right? In the example, say that add 342 and 453 horizontally. So, write the number in the horizontal way, that is 342 plus 453. Right? You have to add the ones place first, that is 3 and 2. 3 plus 2 is 5. So, you get 5 here. In the next step, you have to add the tens place. We have 4 and 5 here. When you add the 2, you get 9 in tens place. Okay? The third step will be adding the hundreds place. That is 3 and 4. When you add that, you get 7 in hundreds place. So the answer is 795. Yes? Do you understand? Generally, we add vertically. Here, we are going to add horizontally. Answer will not change. Both ways, horizontal or vertical, the answer will be the same. Yes? Yes. We will see in exercise number 2.2. The first question is fill in the blanks. Right? The first question in that is 27,943 plus 35,961. How will you see? How will you find the answer in the filler? Yes, see here. The number 35,906 is here the same. So what are you supposed to write? You are going to write the missing number. That is 27,943. So write here 27,943. So if you add this, the other side also it will be the same. Right? Here 35,961 is given. And the other side also the same number is given. That means the other number is missing. So you have to write the other number 27,943. Yes? Important? Yes. The second question is the successor of 99,999. How to find the successor of any number? You have to add 1. So, I am adding 1 with this number. So, 9 plus 1 is 10. 1 is carried over here. Again 9 plus 1 is 10. 1 is carried over here. Again 9 plus 1 is 10. 1 is carried over here. Again 9 plus 1 is 10. 1 is carried over here. Again 9 plus 1 is 10. Yes? This is the successor of 99,999. What number we are getting here? How can we read this number? It is 1 lakh. That is the next number of 99,999 is 1 lakh. That is the successor also. The third question is 37,005 added with 0. We know the rule in addition. Any number added with 0 is the same number. So what answer you will be getting here when a number is added with 0? In this question, you get the same number, that is 37,005. There is no change. Yes. The fourth one is 41,052 given, and the blank is there. In the answer we have 41,053. The question is 41,052. When will you get the next number? Only when you add 1 to the given number. That is, when you find the successor, you get the next number. That means we add 1 and find the next number. Yes, all these questions are based on the properties of addition. Next question is add and check the answer. We know how to check the answer. First you have to add in one order from top to bottom or from top to bottom to top. When you check the answer in the other way, reverse order, you have to add. So let me add and check the answer for the first sum. 6 plus 2 is 8. Yes. Then we move on to tens place. 5 plus 5 is 10. Carry over is 1 in hundreds place. 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. 4 plus 3 is 7. I'll add in the other way I am going to add now. 6 plus 2 is 8. 5 plus 5 is 10. Carry over is 1. This is 8. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. 4 plus 3 is 7. So look at the answer. You get 7,808 in both ways. So that means your answer is correct. You have checked the answer also. Yes? Can you do the other sums? Or let me do one more sum for you. Yes? I'll do a third sum now for you. From top to bottom, I'm adding first. 3 plus 7 is 10. 1 is carryover. 7 plus 6 is 13. 1 is carryover again. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 4 is 10. That is 0 here. 1 is carried over here. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 4 is 7. Next, 2 plus 1 is 3. One way I have added. I am going to add in the other way. From bottom to top. 7 plus 3 is 10. 1 is carried over here. 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 6 is 13. 1 is carried over here again. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. So 1 is carried over here again. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. Next, 2 plus 1 is 3. 1 plus 2 is 3. So check the answer. Both ways I am getting, that is 7050. Right? This is sum. You have to do the sum and check the answer. So the other two sums you can do and check the answers. Can you do that? Yes, do that. Now let us see about estimating sum and finding the exact sum also. Look at the question given here. The first one is 56 plus 72. Yes, they asked us to round it off to the nearest 10. Okay, now 56 is rounded to 60. The next 10 will be 60, right? Okay, then 72 will be rounded to 70, isn't it? When you add these two, we will get the estimated sum. That is 60 plus 70 is 130. Right? In the exact sum, what are we going to do? We are going to add 56 and 72. The exact numbers, the given numbers. We can add this horizontally also. We know how to add horizontally, right? So, first, one's place we will add. That is 2 and 6. We get 2 plus 6 as 8, right? Next, we move on to tens place. We have 7 and 5 in tens place. What is 7 plus 5? It is 12. So, we get 128, right? Next, we will move on to the second question. The question is 315 plus 425, and they've asked us to round it up to the nearest 100. Right? So, 315 is rounded to 300. We know. Plus 425 is rounded to 400. So, when we add these two, 300 plus 400, we get 700. Exact sum. What is the exact sum? We have to add the numbers, exact numbers given to us. Again, we can go and add horizontally. So 5 plus 5, that is in ones place. We start from ones place. 5 plus 5 is 10. Right? So I put 0. Then 1 is carry over. It is carried over to tens place. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. So in tens place I have 4. Then I move on to hundreds place. 4 plus 3, that is 7. Right? So that is the exact answer. That is exact sum. Isn't it? Yes. Now we'll move on to the third question. The question is 3892 plus 5380. They've asked us to round it off to the nearest 1000. So 3892 is rounded to 4000. Yes. Then 5380 is rounded to 5000. When we add these two in the estimated sum, we get 9000. Now in the exact sum column, we are going to add the numbers given to us. First, we'll start from ones place. 0 plus 2. Any number added with 0 is the same number. So 0 plus 2 is 2. Right? Then we move on to tens place. In tens place, we have 8 and 9. 8 plus 9 is 17. Right? So I put 7 and take 1 as carry over to hundreds place. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 8 is 12. So I write 2 in hundreds place and take 1 as carry over to thousands place. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. So in thousands place I write 9. So now you can also check the answer. So here how to check? Look at the exact sum, that is 128.
When you round it off to the nearest tens, you get 130. So our answer is correct. Second one, we move on to 740. The exact answer is 740. When you round it off to the nearest 100, you get 700. So that is also correct. The third one is 9272. When you round it off to the nearest 1000, you get 9000. So our answer is correct. So you can cross check like this also. Right? Got it? Yes. Now, let me move on to the next question. Add horizontally and find the sum. I'll pick up some random sums. I'll do all the other sums. You can do it at home for your practice, right? I'll do the first sum. First sum is add horizontally. How to add horizontally? First, we have to add the ones place. Here in ones place, we have 1 and 8. 1 plus 8 is 9. Right? Then in tens place, we have 2 and 4. 2 plus 4 is 6. So it is 69. Then we'll move on to fifth sum. 380 plus 479. We will add from ones place. That is 9 and 0. 9 plus 0 is 9 because any number added with 0 is the same number. So 9 plus 0 is 9. Next we move on to tens place. 7 plus 8. 7 plus 8 is 15. So I write 5 in tens place and take 1 as carry over to hundreds place. So 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. So the answer is 859. Right? Then I am moving to ninth sum. Okay. In ninth sum, what is the question? 625 plus 222. We'll start adding from ones place. In ones place, we have 2 and 5. When you add these two, you get 7. Then we move on to tens place. That is 2 plus 2. That is 4. Then we move on to hundreds place. 2 and 6 is there. When you add these two, you get 8. So the answer is 847. So all the other sums you can try and find out, I think so. Here, one more clue. You may get a doubt in the third sum. Look at the third sum. We have 2 digits in one number and the 3 digits in the other number. How to add this? First you add the ones place. Then you move on to tens place. Whatever you get, you write. And in hundreds place, since there is no other number, it means that is 0 here. If there is no number, you think that it is 0. 0 plus 3, you have to add like that. Okay, there is no number. That means it is an empty place. That is 0 there. Okay, you need not write 0. Just think 0 in the front. Okay, can you do the other sums? Yes. Try to finish all the sums. I'll move on to next.
Now, let us have a small recap of what we studied in this session. We studied about properties of addition, how to check addition, how to estimate the sum, and how to add horizontally. Isn't it? Yes. Thank you, children. Thank you very much.